In today's video, I'll show you how to configure your website for different responsive screen sizes using Elementor. Making sure your website looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices is extremely important. A responsive design improves user experience and helps your site look professional on any screen size. Let's go through the process step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the Elementor menu and open the Settings. Inside the Settings area, click on the Features tab. This section allows you to enable advanced options that help with responsiveness. Scroll down until you find the option for Additional Custom Breakpoints. Turn this option on by setting it to Active, then scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is important because it unlocks extra screen size controls inside Elementor. Next, open any page or template on your website and click Edit with Elementor. Once the editor loads, look at the top of the screen. You'll see icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. These let you preview how your content looks on different devices. Now go to the top left corner and click on Site Settings, then choose Layout. Scroll down to find the Breakpoints section and expand it. Here, you can manage how your site behaves on different screen widths. Under Active Breakpoints, click the plus icon. You'll see options like Mobile Portrait, Tablet Portrait, and Tablet Landscape. You can enable the ones you need and adjust their pixel widths for more precise control. If you want even more flexibility, you can also add breakpoints for laptop or widescreen displays. After making your adjustments, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply everything properly. And that's how you configure your website for different responsive screen sizes using Elementor. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.